download it from BMICH. Thank you for all your support by giving your likes and sharing my video. Also, please share and like my video in my second phase too. Thank you. Assume that you are traveling in a desert, some places over 45 degrees Celsius, and there comes HydroX, powered with 11.1 voltage and 27.2 amperes and 24 watts of power. You can adjust on this system and you can set the own temperature, the desired temperature over here. If you need 10 Celsius of water, you can adjust it like this. And also it is equipped with built-in module, which is the main component of this product, which makes it more easier and valuable. It's very mobileable. It's mainly used for medical purposes such as insulin, certain antibiotics and vaccines. Also, it is used for desert tourists and soldiers. Also, it is equipped with solar panels all over, like sustainable energy and renewable power. And also it can be detailed and monitored by the Blink IoT in the mobile smartphones. A precious physics formula named time equals voltage into amperes divided by power. So we get equivalent of roughly around 250 hours of battery life, which means we can take anywhere very mobileable and very easily. It is less weight compared to a very large refrigerator.